Joint Tribes Council Manipur (Jtcm) has warned of intense agitations, including bans, if the government proceeds with census operations despite public opposition. In the press release issued by its convener, Jtcm raised serious concerns over the alleged continuous influx of people across the international border, warning that it alters the state's demographic composition and threatens the identity, land resources and political rights of indigenous communities. The council urged the centre and the state governments to implement the NRC using 1951 as the base year to identify bona fide citizens and detect illegal immigrants. Jtcm further demanded that both the census and the subsequent delimitation exercises be deferred until the NRC process is complete, asserting that electoral representation must not be determined by unverified or distorted demographic figures. The council also called for the de-recognition of settlements that were granted village status without fulfilling the criteria prescribed under the state law.